If you've ever made the bed in an RV, you know that it is a major cardio workout. So Joe and I would argue over who is gonna make the bed. This is terrible, and we changed the bed. So we came up with a little idea to try. So I figured today I would share it with you. So let's take a look at how I get the sheet on, the mattress pad and the fitted sheet. Anything after that is cake. So here we go. Let's see if my trick will work. All right, so the first thing that I did was I slid the mattress all the way to the wall, away from the back wall. You can see our marine dendri ventilation system that we have underneath there. So I pull that back, pull the mattress back as far as I can go, and then I am going to put the mattress topper just at the top end and do that first. All right, see that? Looks pretty good. Now I don't have it wrapped around the bottom. I just have it wrapped around the top. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to put the fitted sheet up at the top as well. All right, so now we have the top of the sheet. So we got the top of the fitted sheet along the top. We still do not have the mattress topper or the sheet at the bottom of the mattress, and see how it's leaning against the closet. So now I am going to push the mattress forward. I wish if I wasn't here by myself, I would totally set this up so you can watch me doing it, but I think probably the only thing that's going to happen is you're just going to see my butt in the way the whole time. So here we go. We're just doing it in steps. All right, y'all, I'm done. So that's it. I just slid the mattress forward and then tucked everything in. That's about as good as it's gonna get. Okay, so that's my RV hack for the day, to be able to make the bed. The flat sheet and the blanket are the easy part. The mattress topper and the fitted sheet are terrible. So the easiest way, slide your mattress down, get that top, get it all right, get it wrapped around really good, then slide your mattress forward up against the wall. Most of them have the alcove like that. That holds that in place against the wall, and then just do your bottom end and it gets everything nice and straight. So I hope this helps you out, saves you a little bit of energy, but I think I'm ready for a protein shake now.